Hello boys and girls, it's time for Chap Lane again today, and we're down in the Scouts Hall here from 12 o'clock today till Sunday. We've got a nice selection of craft gifts. Some Louis candles here today from Celtic Fairy doors here. A few nice bits here for me. Ramona's creations are here today as well. We've got some very nice pieces here. We have crafty nooks here today again. Some very nice pieces. That's clear yourself. Some nice little pieces there for the vacuole. Some lovely handmade soaps here today. Collie's Hobby House here today now as well. Some very nice jams and chutneys. And some nice plaques and artwork. There's some lovely stuff here from Wildland Silver. And the lady herself. Hello. We have Elmer Rocks back here today. Some very nice hand painted rocks. Used indoor and outdoor.